Hey guys, sorry I'm late. Sorry, yeah. It's you know when you don't even know where to start? That's where I'm at right now. I don't even know where to begin explaining what the heck has been going on today. Okay, so I see Asia High was taken, not before it would have. Oh, it may have just missed ticking this out. Wow, that's rude. Okay, well, either way, we are below here, so bulls are still in play with regards to this. I need to go through everything quickly. Welcome to the chaos that is today. Like I said, I do apologize for being late. Sorry about that, guys. Hey, Maddie, Finn is good. Yeah, Finn's good. His leg is swollen, but he's fine. How you doing, Muddy? I'm surprised you're still awake. You okay? Why are you still awake? What's up? Hey, Republic, what's up? Sorry, I'm a little bit late. Let me just quickly mark out London High. Awesome. Why is everyone awake? Is everyone okay? What the heck, man? What's going on? Is everybody good? London low. It's on VWAP. This is kind of ranging. Theoretically, this is ranging. So that's not ideal. I know it took out Asia High, so that's something. That is something. I see that it would have either just ticked me out or just missed ticking me out with the other one, and that's okay. Dom, what's up? You can see going on an upmarket and open. Can you understand the Czech Republic is a country in Europe? Yeah? I know. But I'm just calling you a Republic because I can promise you I'm going to pronounce things like a chop. So, I'm just gonna keep calling you Republic. I hope that's okay. I hope that's fine. I hope that's fine. Okay, so we have 2 minutes to go until New York Open. I've at least marked that and that out. I kind of know still what's happening, so that's something. Something's better than nothing at this point. Let's see. VWAP. This is now below Midnight Open, so to see it spike back up there won't be the worst thing in the world. It is below. This is gonna be interesting. Okay, I think the bulls might be in play here. Let's see. I'm okay, Maddie. I'm okay. Let's see what New York brings. If I have to sit on my hands just because mentally I'm not right, then I guess I'll just have to sit on my hands. That's fine, but nothing's stopping me from still seeing what happens next. Here we go. We have a minute to go. We're gonna be good. Maddie, try send me an email again. Because I definitely did not receive an email from you. Maybe try again now that you are not under the influence. Now that you are not under the influence, maybe you can try again. I do not like it when it does this before open. When there's a big push before open, it tends to be choppy during New York. Tends to. I could be wrong. It's just from what I've noticed. Normally when there's a big push before New York Open, New York is chop city. Hey Robocop, how you doing? Bars push to 950 and down. Let's see. I trade 30 minutes after open. But you think it's going up to 950 and then down? Let's see. Okay, so majority are keen for bulls, which I am inclined to agree with, which is weird. Makes me nervous when we agree with each other. But here is open. Let's see what it brings. Like I said, if I have to sit on my hands for today, then I have to sit on my hands for today. I had 2 losses during London today. So if nothing amazing presents itself and there's no clear point of interest, I might just sit on my hands, try again tomorrow. I would be bullish too. Wait, Maddie, you're not gonna trade? Why? What the? Like I said, it's super weird when we are all in agreement. I don't know how to feel about that. But okay. 9:30 open, awesome source. Let's see what comes of this. Solid rejection of a Bob level, seriously. So unless I see something super juicy. Brian? What's up? Shout out to Brian for the dono. How you doing, Brian? Shout out. You know what you get for that? You get... No, wait, where is it? There we go. You get... fireworks. Just as a shout out. That's not working, is it? Gamer Boy? Subscribe, like, share, notify. Oh, Brian C, you're such a sweetie pie. Whoa. Okay, London low taken. Now that London low is taken, could this start pushing for London high? Is this just a liquidity sweep? Let's see if we get a first presented. We have 20 seconds left, maybe not. You'd be feeling something like that? Yeah. Good entry, you have 9:30. Let's see, Dob, what this range is. Is that what you're thinking? Oh, wait, first presented has been... Okay, I mean, this is going against my bias. Literally, this is going against my bias, but... You know... You can be wrong. Okay, bob to bob. Let's see if this starts bouncing off of this. Alrighty then. Are we going down? Oh, we're going down to the equal lows and, well, I guess previous day low. Go along when it touches the zone. Yep, good girl. Instant London low equals liquidity sweep. They just dropped a ton of retail stop losses, hence creating their own liquidity. Ew, I gotta go to work in 3.5 hours. Ew, why? Equal lows and previous day low seems like a good shout right now. David, shout out for the donation. Oh my gosh. Oh, you are so funny. Shout out, David. Again, David, you also get fireworks. Fireworks. There we go. Fire. Good grief. 24670 is day range. Yeah, those equal lows. I agree with you on that one. I have a feeling it might go down to relative equal lows and then even the daily fun stuff. New York open for us. Please. My last dollar. Your last dollar? Why is that your last dollar? Don't you normally get paid on Tuesdays? I'm confused. Are you good, David? If it drops below that we could see a real flush. I'll see a green 15-minute. It'll be a nice try for a long. That's valid. That's valid. I'm not gonna take this. Like I said, I need a freaking A++++ plus setup before I take anything right now. Sure, this is dumping solidly. I mean that works. That works. I guess. Got adult money. You can use adult money if you want to. I have a feeling it's gonna go lower before it head back up. Magnet over there. Just an FYI. Just an FYI. This is the 5-minute candle. Wow. Right, okay. I'm still keen on it taking out the equal lows and the New York low and then potentially going back up for buy side. Let's see. It was worth it. That's why I wait for the first 50-minute candle to close to see where we stand. Republic, I agree with you. I hope you don't mind. Or would you prefer me to call you GCR? I can call you GCR if you prefer. How many points is the 5-minute candle? Sure, it is. 117 points. Yeah, 5-minute candle is 117 points. All right, nap time before work. Cheers, David. Shout out. Thanks for the dono. You're amazing. I hope you have a decent sleep, right? Decent sleep? First presented is your entry long. An entry for a long, really? Hey, Mike, what's up? What about, because I'm going to butcher the pronunciation. I can guarantee I'm gonna butcher. I don't want to butcher it that badly on live. That seems like a disaster waiting to happen. Is it messing with people's emotions here? I feel like it's messing with people's emotions here. Struggling to break below, but the equal lows are right there. I'm just curious about this. Okay. Wow. And that's why we wait. Holy guacamole. What even is that? This is just teasing people today. This is what it feels like. $170 points. What was it yesterday? I can go check what it was yesterday. English, nailed it. Check. Oh, just check. Anyways, night Dave. Hey, Slippy Trippy with Slippy Trippy. I love that. Slippy Trippy deserves this just because.
Nice.
I love it. Anyways, and that's a nice entry at 24733. Go long in the zone. Let's go. Nice, Dom. Waiting for confirmation. Oh, it swept the lows. Thanks, OTT. OTT, how you doing, bud? How's it going? Just institutional traders find that always set the standard for this market will operate after open, which means basically most people and retailers were waiting for a 15-minute candle to see what happens. Well, I was bullish. Well, my bias was bullish. So guess theoretically not wrong. Zone to zone again. Look at that freaking candle. Where's Bob been? I'm actually gonna message him and be like, are you good? Hey gamer boy, what's up? 1-to-1 TP. Whoop whoop Dom, well done. Shout out to Dom. Dom has been on fire lately. Just saying. Dom, you've been a legend. Well done. TP at 860 with protected profit to 820. Curiosity is getting the best of me with regards to this, but no. Just, I think this is also just too big. This range is just too big. Ugh, like I said, if I have to sit on my hands today, I'll sit on my hands today. It makes no difference to me. It is what it is. Patience. Patience pays, right? To go to it and try to sweep both bulls and bears just to stop them out so they can create their own volume and traffic into the range they want. Oh, interesting. Hey, nice. The range is extreme. Hammer, I don't know what you're talking about. This is amazing. This is what we want to see every day. I'm messing with you. No thanks. 2-to-1, that's all for today. Nice. I mean, that's basically what ICT is built around. Yep. Whoop whoop. Nice, Dom. I'm proud of you. Starting the trade to your already in London session. Slippy Trippy, I trade London and New York, so not Asia, sorry. I trade London and New York session. I do trade both. So London was not great for me today. Not even gonna try and deny that. Had 2 losses, but it is what it is. We haven't even formed the 15-minute candle yet. Just saying. Hey gamer boy, what's up? How you doing? I'm thinking bullish, low time frame fake up before further downside pressure movement because of the breaker structure from yesterday on that. Just something to consider. Well, frankly, Brandon, let's see. That's interesting. I'm not denying or agreeing. I'm saying let's check it out. I'm a little bit, I don't want to say on the fence. I feel like it's out to get us today. A little bit like what Muddy's been saying. It's a little bit out to get us today. So let's see. If I have to sit and stay hands off and miss some trades today, it is what it is. Usually a lot on gold. Other markets are volatile and unpredictable sometimes. I hear you. Just made $600. Nice! Whoop whoop, well done! You should mark that out. Which part? Bullish lower time frame for downside pressure movement because of the break of structure. Is that what you're saying? Are you saying I should mark that out, Maddie? Shoot. How much do I have less on my daily loss? Still... Shoot, how much did I lose? Technically around 2. Yeah, I'd probably make it a little bit less. I'd probably rather do a half risk. I know that's bad then, because if it is a win, I'm just making back, but... London high, now taken. Gosh, darn it, look at it go. Good rejection off of this bob level to bob level. Okay, well, here's the 15-minute candle, people. If anyone was curious, here's the 15-minute candle. Wow. Just wow. Let's come back and retest. Let's see. Yes, ma'am. One account multiple and compounding. One account slippy trippy. Yeah, around 200, Muddy. Was it see tomorrow? I got my screen. Casino price action. Robocop, I like that. Casino price action. Unpredictable. Da, 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 da. Popped Bob did break above the 15-minute, but we need a solid break above. Sorry, I put like specific cooling gel on the one horse today, and the problem is when I do that, it messes with my blood circulation. Check what's across the wiggle from the top of the 15-minute high. The relative equal highs and then this high, is that what you're talking about? I mean, it's still kind of stuck in this range. But it did just take out a bunch of liquidity here. To answer your question, yesterday's 5-minute range was 70 points. Yeah. Just to give you an idea, yesterday's 5-minute range was 70 points. Today's 5-minute range was 100. Let's round up to 120 points. Hey, Platinum Player, what's up? Big Beats Bonanza, how you doing? Let's do this. Okay. I'm gonna quickly do this though. Let's check out 5-minute. I don't have enough time. Sorry, guys. I had to actually go and help out. That's why I'm also a little bit frazzled. I had to go help out my friend. They had an injury and they were bleeding and they nearly fainted, so I had to try and clean up. I'm surprised I actually don't have blood on my oh gosh, darn it. It's just one of those. Okay, so 5-minute looks like this. We're about to tap back into that order block on the 5 minutes. Check out the 15-minute. Would be okay to see a little bit of rejection. Look at the damn wick on this thing. Okay, bullish it is. Back up to new weekly opening gap would actually be what I think. Or what I suspect. I suspect potentially back up to new weekly opening gap. So up here, 051-ish level. Let's see if it continues bullish or if it is just going to range. Let's check the 1 hour quickly. Above here for it to go above this wick would be ideal. Cool, cool, cool. Say 051 here. Yeah, 051-ish level would be nice to see. Or to take out the new weekly opening gap. Okay, let's check the 4 hour. Nice, okay. Let's do this. Back to the 1 minute. We're correct about that break of structure on the 4 hour. I was really thinking that bears were gonna take over. Apparently not. Apparently the bears just went, nah, it's fine, it's okay. Not today. I do low-key want to keep this range set up. So it does come back down to tap into... Ooh. If it retests the 15-minute to check back into the 9:30 and the 5-minute range and VWAP, that would not be the worst thing to see happen before continuation back up. Like 051, hey. Okay. A little bit of zoom in. Okay, sorry. beans on toast. You feed your dog Skittles instead of pellets and cola instead of water. I feel like you're lying, but whatever. I'd be very skeptical on any move today. Nvidia will pick up everything. True. Directly across from the top of the 15-minute New York open candle. Always check what's across the week. Also, because it hit highs, it'll be yesterday's? What do you mean by it'll be yesterday's? It'll be But the extended bullish move is 25100. 25100. Was it which platform? I'm on TradingView. $249. Why only 24900? You don't think it could go lower? What about if it came back into midnight opening range? Midnight opening range is quite a solid magnet. Or are you just saying it might just go back down into this fair value gap and reject off of it? Mark out the break of structure from yesterday. It's point of interest. Okay. 051 is a point of interest. Hey! Nice. Okay. Wait, let me actually just make a mark there at 051 because I liked 051. Okay. If we drop below 870, we'll go back to the bottom and make a new low. Okay. Republic, hear me out. Are you just basing this off of this fair value gap, or you... Okay, I know you have a bunch of different things open next to you, but what are you looking at specifically? Hasn't crossed over into the final hour on the 4 hours, so I would say until we see the next close on the hour one, we can't be sure it's confirmation or reversal movement. My long is at 699. What? Did you enter? Muddy, did you enter? Oh, 25699. Sorry, Braid, I was like, what? Your chart is showing these levels and then mathematically calculated every day based on the previous day. Do you do them every day? They're basically checks, shuffle. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Vito, what's up? How you doing, bud? How's it going? Sorry, I don't know why I'm calling everyone bud recently, but sorry. Let's see how it responds here. Yeah, Muddy, I definitely do not have an email from you. I even went to check now because I was like, maybe I missed something. I went to double check now. I definitely do not have an email from you. NQMD projection. You said you would check the indicator. Republic, literally when I sat down and went live is the first time I've been home since I went off of the live stream earlier. So I'm gonna have to check it before London session tomorrow. I unfortunately do not have time between London and New York to do anything. Well, I was also a little bit late today. Normally I actually hop on at 9:15 a.m. EST and I hopped on at 9:25. Only gave myself 5 minutes to get ready. Because of chaos. Hey, why do you have Fibber on your chart? Do you only trade Fibonacci? I mean, technically, yeah. I use my GAN box. To determine my entry and exit because I do market auction theory strategy mixed with ICT and SMC confluences. I love how you understand it with a word that's not even used. We have created our own lingo. Exactly. Like I said, patent pending. If other people can do it, I'm not gonna say any names, but if other people can do it, why can't we? Okay, why can't we? So it did not respect that level, so... Okay, I guess I could just start calling you Check. Check, you believe that this is now gonna potentially start going down? Caught that jump up and instantly hit TP. Whoop whoop, fish doctor! Well done! In a gold long run. Whoop whoop for anyone that caught that damn runaway train all the way back up. Huge shout out. Oh, that's... So it's not at Hotmail, it's at gmail.com. That's why. I don't know who you sent an email to, but yes, it's at gmail.com. That makes sense. Like that. I did not take the trade yet. Okay, cool. So you're still waiting. Yeah. Well, that would a little bit. That would definitely do it. Retest into the 15-minute. About to tap in here. OTT, how's your trade? Actually, maybe don't tell me. Just do a whoop whoop or a sad face. What a hilarious emote that is. Casino is here. What's up, LP? How you doing? That is hilarious, Maddie. That is amazing. Someone's gonna read that and be like, what is going on?
Emotional damage.
It's going to be a long hold. It's a 5-minute entry. Oh, damn. Okay, OTT. I'll copy paste it, please, buddy. This is hilarious. That is amazing. That's actually cheered me up a little bit. That whole situation is so funny. That is, yeah. That's brilliant. That's brilliant. Yes. This thing is healing, so it's so itchy. So you're losing... Am I losing a lot of money trading ICT? No? Shaman Man? What's up? How you doing? I am not. Why? What's up? I said don't look at my stuff today, but in general I'm actually profitable-ish. Other paw. Oh man, both paws. Yeah, paw. Oh, give me the other ones. No man, you're being cute but stupid. Oh. Yeah, you did this earlier. Paw. Yeah, good boy. Yeah, give me the paw. Give me a paw. Oh, you chopstick. Okay, I made him feel shy. My annual Roy. Where are you going? Harry! Okay. It's fine. But you guys can actually see what I look like in my riding clothes for a change. I mean, that's a rude way to come in and say that. Took along with stop loss at 840, but I'm not too happy with it, but I think it'll bounce off that 14 MA on the 15 minutes. Only a few are allowed to make my upset. Yeah, them's the rules. Them's the rules. Okay, tapped into VWAP on ES. Let's see how it responds off of it. Like I said, curiosity is kind of getting the best of me when it comes to ES currently. I've been enjoying ES quite a lot. Haven't been trading ES, but just from what I've noticed, ES tends to work pretty decently. Bob to Bob, just shy of this Bob level there. Return on investments. Oh, finance. But I'm not profitable yet. Am I new to investing? I don't invest. I am not an investor. I am a day trader. There do be a difference. Holy guacamole. Okay, back into the 5-minute, back into the 9:30 a.m. range. Went below VWAP on ES now. You know, I'm actually not even upset to be kind of hands off this absolute rubbish. M30 plus 1 hour previous high close rejection. It's looking more that bears are going to take the control back. Frankly, Brandon, I'm pretty sure I've asked you this, but I'm going to ask you again if you don't mind. How long have you been trading for? Thanks, Maddie. Ow. 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 Especially with ES confirmation. Yeah, ES went below VWAP. It's not respecting any of these at the moment. That being said, it did tap into the fair value gap on ES. Sorry, let's just check this across so you can see what I'm talking about. Did tap into the fair value gap, and that it's a beep me. I'm gonna call it a volume imbalance. Very small volume imbalance, and it is rejecting off of it. But you would want to see quite a solid rejection off of there. I'm curious to see how this goes. Like I said, a nice tap in there, nice tap in there. I do have the again, to be fair, I think this is actually just too big for me to take regardless. This will be my 7th year. Wow. Brandon, why did you start trading? My guess is that it'll stay choppy. Whoop, times 13. Donezo in 30 minutes. Whoop whoop, Ninja. I'm proud of you. Well done. You're having a better day than me. I'm proud. I've been trading for 13 years. I can spot a 5%er when I smell one. Maddie. Oh my gosh. Angry Bob, that's what she said. I got you, I got you.
That's what she said.
The price action is similar to yesterday. Seems everybody's just waiting for Nvidia. I would not be surprised. Check, did it take you out or not? Sorry, I know, wait, you told me the levels. Let me not be lazy. Let me go check. Was stop loss at 840. Oh shoot, it took you out. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Losses happen though, right? Losses happen though, so it's okay. Me and you are in the same boat. Bit of a red day. My turn now, thanks, Ninja. I've had a red day today, but it's okay. Things happen. Tomorrow could be very interesting because of Nvidia. There's gonna be a range change. 13 years, you're part of the market now? Oh my gosh. That is so funny. 150 point from open was nice enough for now. Oh yeah, no, then you're good. Part of the market. Good grief. Okay. Let's see. Like I said, it didn't have a solid rejection off of ES like I wanted to see. Watch it now go and prove me wrong. It's stuck on VWAP. If it breaks above VWAP on ES, the longs could be back in play, which is quite wild. I wouldn't have expected that. Hey, what's up? I'm on NQ. I'm trading, well, MNQ to be specific. Thanks, Maddie. Hey, Joy of Travel, how you doing? I'm okay. A bit of a red day today, but it is what it is. Red days happen. Maddie, did you resend that email? I'm genuinely curious about what that email said now. Okay, but again, financial AJ, I'm not investing. See that watch it now going prove me wrong. I mean, that's okay when you're not in a trade. Still, you should read it because it leaks into your trades. I guess. So this being said, right, this seems like it's actually going to be quite a nice setup, but I don't even know if I would have been able to take this quote-unquote safely. I don't even think it's worth... I would have been able to go in with one contract. Yeah, the range is a little bit too big for me. So even if I wanted to take this trade, the range is actually too big. It's not worth taking this trade. Pity. Oh well. Hey, Villain, what's up? What am I doing? I'm watching the chart wiggles. Waiting for either an A+ setup or confirmation that it's just gonna go sideways, which will kind of suck, but let's see. Everyone hit that like button. Oh, thanks, buddy. You're so sweet. Yeah, guys, don't forget to press that like button if you guys do use prop firms and you want to check out the prop firms that I am indeed affiliated with. There's some awesome discounts. I mean, Violin is currently having an 89% discount. Top One Futures is having a 77.2% discount, which I know is very random, on any two-step funded, if I'm not mistaken. I feel like I butchered that, but any two-step, whatchamacallit, but yeah, 77.2%. Again, very random. And Tradeify is having a 30% discount on all accounts and a 40% discount on 150k select accounts. I really like the Tradeify select accounts. My next thing I get, I think, will be a Tradeify select account. They are awesome. They are super, super cool. You must go read up on them. But yeah, so there's some awesome discounts. If you guys want to get them, you can use my code. It's TeachMaya, all caps, no gaps. Solly's not here to be a bully, so I can say that. There is no structure, so any position would be a pure gamble. Actually, that's pretty valid. I agree with you on that one. This is a gambler's paradise right now, not a trader's paradise. Daniel in the house. How you doing, my new favorite trader? What's up, Daniel? How you doing? I think they're targeting this week's gap in Kululu. I agree. The new weekly opening gap, it's what I did think it was going to do. You can see my point of interest is over here at 501. Is it going to happen? Have the charts been doing what I've been wanting them to do today? No. So let's see what happens. Oh, thanks, Jay. Ayo, Jordy, what's up? Buy high, sell low, and panic someone. It's no longer panic at the disco, it's panic in the middle. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. That is amazing. You can stay. Your sense of humor is top notch. Potentially worth a look at the short side now, potentially for a swing. Is it bad that I'm still kind of bullish and everyone else is kind of saying, oh, let's have a look at shorts? I'm still leaning towards the bull side of life. We are not even at supply or demand, so why trade? Do I have to have you saying for me? My fund accounts are missing trades. I should pull port to break the tension. OTT, go on then. You've got this. Give it a go. Give it a go. Let's see what happens. State of the Union tonight, tomorrow should be exciting. Gonna be panic at the end video. But Dunza for the day, so not trading. Nice, Ninja. Oh, thanks for the sub, Lone Traders, guys. Sorry, I haven't said thanks to all the other new people that have subbed. Thank you, guys. All the support is amazing. Don't forget to press that like button. Let's grow this amazing community if you want to, before I forget. There is also Discord. It is a free Discord as well. Don't stress. So, here you go. If you all want to join the Discord, you are more than welcome to. I'm going to just put it out there. If you join the Discord and you get very weird random formal messages, it is not me. If I had to message you, it'll be very informal. There are scammers pretending to be me, the chops. So if you want proof that it's me, ask for a one-on-one call. I will obviously be super happy to do a one-on-one call. 5 minutes, be like, hi, what's up? You can see it's me. You can see that it's not a scammer. Then we're good to go. So that's just with regards to Discord. And then, like I said, last thing, seeming as I'm gonna have to sit on my hands for a little bit. Like I said, affiliate code if you guys want to get those awesome discounts that are currently happening. It's Teach Maya, all caps, no gaps. It is very catchy to say that. That's why I keep saying it. Like I said, some really, really awesome discounts currently happening if you guys want to check it out. And support, obviously. Why is there no structure to the market as bullish and sell side liquidity has been admitted? Keep the longs till VWAP breaks. I'm saying it's sit on your hands. It's probably consolidation. We want to make money, so have a clear idea and trade it. And if it does not work out, take at least 30 minutes to 1 hour before making a next one. See, Republic, that was probably my mistake this morning. I didn't wait long enough. Well, that being said, how long was it betwixt these? Oh, no. Okay. I did give myself like 30 minutes to an hour. Oh, well. Was the correct idea, wrong execution. The full range. Do you guys want to see this absolute BS that... Yeah, the full range of this would have either just wicked. Wait, I remember when I zoomed in. Oh, there we go. This would have missed. It either would have taken me out by a spread, or it would have missed the stop loss by a tick before going up to be a winning trade, which I was just like, what the heck, man? That is not okay. Break up the 15-minute and back down. This does kind of look like Chop City. Are we Mojo? No, we're not Mojo Jojoing. Are we? I don't think it's Mojo Jojo just yet. Mojo Jojo. Mojo Jojo. Maybe Mojo Jojo. We're gonna have to just start using it. And I agree with you to the bullish side, but unfortunately I got stopped out. Ah, yeah. And you know what? Check, it is what it is. Right? It's just a bit of a choppy day. Like you said, when it's a choppy market like this, anything is a little bit of a risk because it could just disrespect it just this much. And by doing that, it gets you. No, I'm saying I'll not look at my screen because it is a waste of my time when nothing is happening. Well, I agree. That's why I got you guys, right? When it is a chop city like this, I've got you guys to keep me company. I would take an NQ long, but don't like how choppy it was before giving me an entry. Yeah, OTT. It is probably a little bit risque today with NVIDIA happening tomorrow. I could show you how I set up the charts if it would. Yeah, please check. I'm super curious. Like I said, I'm always willing to expand my knowledge. I'm here to learn. I don't think you can ever stop learning. And I mean, I haven't even been trading for a year, so believe me, I can guarantee you that yes, I know a lot more than I used to, obviously, but I still probably only know this much out of like this much. Muddy How Wild? Whoop whoop for Jordy? What the heck, man? Whoop whoop, everybody! Everyone having a great time. I'm gonna pretend like I'm not a jellyfish right now, but it's okay. Whoop whoop, guys. Whoop whoop to anyone that's had a green day, had green trades. Well done. For anyone like me that's had a bit of a red day, it's okay. Tomorrow's a new day. We still have a little bit of time. Take a breather. If it's just not a good price action day, don't trade. Come back fresh tomorrow. It's fine. It's never a loss. It's always a lesson. Just think of it as paying tuition for learning something new. Hey Cameron Cook, looking like it's going to be a seek and destroy day. Maybe create some liquidity tomorrow for Nvidia earnings. Cameron Cook, I think we're kind of all in agreement with that right now, which is why I do not mind kind of sitting on my hands. Oh, thanks, buddy. What did you think? It was wild, eh? Trade I got right now is 3 out of 6 thinks that's very low probability. Ooh. And I also saw the video posted earlier about Tradeify account. The only thing I think you need to kind of tell the plebs what all the drawdowns and consistency rule means and stuff. Yes, I'll do another video explaining that. Yeah, I'll have to do another video explaining what drawdowns and mean for everyone that's new. That was more for people that want to just get connected with Tradeify, maybe don't know how. Slippage will humble anyone. Ninja, unless slippage is nice, like it was to me. That's why I sit here and look at the things that you talk about. Exactly, joy of travel. We can make some fun. Got the profit at Open and London. Maybe someone who's already in trading and learning, but would make absolutely no sense to a layman. No, that's fair. That's fair. I'm gonna have to do like a... How do I put it? A noob video. A noob video. Like, that's cool. I'm trading all day and want to help people pass evals, as many seem to be struggling. But I've passed my eval. It's now just to try to get a payout. Oh, thanks, buddy. We can call this sideways moving chart a... Yeah. Skeletor. Nice. That is amazing. For anyone that maybe didn't see that, what did Mario say to Peach when they broke up? It's not you. It's me, Mario. I had to read it like that because let's just be real, how else are you supposed to read anything to do with Mario? Break even on gold? BTW, this is my live account, not props. Oh my goodness, OTT, okay. And that Nvidia news is going to change the market hard up, but I think it'll make a better market for the rest of the week into next. Here's to hoping, right? Well, no, hope. And most people do not understand the psychology behind the market and why it moves. You have to be a unicorn for slippage to place here, you girl. We know what you are, a unicorn. I'm a sparkly pony. Oh, this is driving me crazy. You guys want to see what it looks like? Okay, wait. Okay, give me 2 seconds. It's driving me absolutely insane. Give me 2 seconds. I'm gonna put on like a short sleeve and then you can see because this is... Look on you. Yeah, no, it was ridiculous. And call it a layman's guide to trade. Or would it be a layman's guide to prop firms rather? Maybe not a layman's guide to trading because it's not really explaining trading. It's more explaining prop firms and the drawdowns and what all of those things mean. Does that make sense? Probably need some air. Yeah, exactly. I'm doing great. Took a loss. Guess I'm not golden. Oh, that's okay, Lucky. Don't worry. I'm also having a red day. I had 2 losses during London today and no trade during New York so far. So we just continue. I'll be right back. Let me just put on a short sleeve and you guys can see the rubbish. Anyways. Pulled some of my hair out. That hurt. Not trading. Right. Yeah. Exactly. Okay, 2 seconds. Ow, the pain. Ow, the pain. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ow, that sucked. Ow. Oh my gosh. I couldn't find a short sleeve shirt, so I just said screw it and I put this on because I can roll the sleeves up easily. Ow, my elbow. My elbow. Owie. Okay. This literally would have been like a wicked in damn thing, which is not bad. Let's see if it continues back up. This month has been kicking me in. Lucky, this month has not been easy, to be fair. This month has not been easy. I don't think you guys want to see this. Tuition, they're doing, whatever. It's not a loss, always a lesson. There we go, Muddy. I mean, negative. The statistics that we must probably understand a few key levels, it becomes much easier. Okay, check what type of key levels. Sorry, let me just do this. Which key levels in particular? Trading is 80% patience, self-control, 20% strategy. I agree with you on that one. Lucky, I wish I could say I'm alright, but I'm not. Lucky? I'm sorry. Lucky, I can't. Sorry, maybe it's rude. I can't remember. Ow, my hair. I can't remember if you are on Discord. Point to failure for failing eval. Did you hit your funny? I don't even know what I hit. I flipping wood my elbow into. Sorry, wood is like South African. There we go. Awesome. Literally, you can see that's a burn. I don't know if you can see it. No, not really. Oh, not without me doing weird and wonderful things. That's such a weird angle. There we go. Low probability I would be break even now. Great. Like OTT, look at this. The higher range, pretty freaking solid, but like I said, I wouldn't have been able to take this. The range was too big. I wouldn't have been able to take a good, solid trade. Take a break, man. Touch grass, refresh, LCB trading motiony. Daily range, 50-minute, 1 hour block, calculated MA trend. So those are the main 4 things you do? Yeah. Draw a fib from points. 5 to 4. That is huge, but okay. What did I just do? I feel like I did something. Yep, I did do something. Okay, 5 2 4 2 2 5 107. Why? Angry Bob? Because that is where everyone is, and that is all the market does. It's check, you are speaking my language. Do you know how often that has happened to me? I've had the correct idea and just gotten at the wrong moment. If I had to go back, you would see how many trades that I had the correct idea. I just took it at the wrong moment where it retested further up and then went back down. Oh, Ninja, that is amazing. Well done. Oh, very accurate wiggles. Huh. That's interesting. Okay. That was Maya's last 2 trades, basically. Well, no, to be fair. This one, no. This one, no. But this trade, yes, had the correct idea. This one, no, not the correct idea. It took me out. It is what it is. That one worked. Let's go back and check this out. I mean, here, this break-even one. Correct idea. Let's check out this loss. Yeah, like this one. Correct idea, technically, just super choppy and got me taken out. Where was it? It was all of last week, wasn't? No, it wasn't all of last week. Shoot, it was. Check here. Correct idea, wrong entry point before it went back up. Haha, this sucks. That one, not even close. That one was a win. That one was a break even. I think that's where I passed my eval. Oh, it was. So I passed my eval. So this was where it was a little bit chaotic, hey? It was chaotic before I passed my eval. That week sucked before I passed my eval. Wow. Check here. This one hurt my feelings. I remember this one. Correct idea. Just had to go back into the bob level before continuation back down. Sure. There's been a few where it's been the correct idea, just wrong entry point. Check at this. Huh. Perfect. Literally. Let's see. So it was a good retest back into the 15-minute. Would I have done that range though? Probably not. I may have done this range where it would have taken me out. Oh. Rude. Before continuation back up. Now hindsight is pretty easy. So, okay. It is respecting these levels nicely, but just, like I said, the range was just too big for me to take it. Oopsies. Oh well. Moving on. Do you think this is going back to my point of entry? Or point of interest? Oh, OTT, that's okay though. The ones I missed think is gonna help me. That's work for tomorrow. There we go, Lucky. You've got this. Into better range for my swing. Hey, yo, Alex, how you doing? Sorry. Same happened for me. Maybe better tomorrow could be the day. I'm Table Mountain, meditate like a monk, overlooking the ocean. Yes, Ninja, enjoy. It's a great plan. Even paper trade for a little. My mind does not delete anything. No, I need to go back and prove things, right? Well, maybe prove is the wrong word. If you want, we can have a call and I'll show you my trading view setup and you'll see what I mean. Yeah, sure. Sure, check. Did you join the Discord? Price you have now, remember this morning. Hey, Morgiver, what's up? Your chart is impressively organized. Really? You really think it's impressively organized? I know a lot of people that would disagree with you, but I'll take it. I'll take it. I need right now. Tyler Sawyer, you're so sweet. Thank you. Lava Dobber, what's up? How are you? Get back there, man. I promise you all feel like it's right now. Yep. Lucky, me and you both, bud. It's okay. We've got this though. Sweet little cupcake. Fine, got 450 tick after the open. Morgan, nice. Whoop whoop, that's amazing. Organized. That has to be sarcasm. No, I think a lot of people actually think it's organized. OTT. Give me the Discord. Boop, 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 boop. No, that's not it. Now I can make fun of Maya without feeling bad about it. Wow. Okay. Perhaps it's something notice I see I'll disappear for another week or two. Jordy, you know, I was thinking about you yesterday. I thought you were maybe on a call with Miku Wave again. Because, you know, apparently my... apparently my live is just not as entertaining as having a chats with your boyfriend, but it's fine. It's okay, Jordy, it's fine. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. I'm partly kidding. I'm very offended that you would pick having chats with your boyfriend over me, but it is what it is. Okay. Check, there's the Discord. I did pop it in. Boy, hey, Hey, Solly's here. What's up, Solly? Wonder if 25107 will be any resistance. Let's see. Jordy! That's it, Lucky. Got the soul start today, mate, and invested billions and catch up with the video. I missed you. London stream was entertaining. Oh my gosh. Okay, Solly's back. Solly's back to come and abuse me. Have you ever considered using a time-based stop loss rather than... David, not even for a second. I don't even know what a time-based stop loss is. What is a time-based stop loss? I would never choose my boyfriend over you. I even divorced the wife just for you. Oh, mighty, you're such a sweetie pie. I want a perfect strategy to share with you. It's all for you. Oh. Okay, okay, now you're making me feel bad. Damn, Jordy. Honestly, seriously. So wait, David M, I have questions. What is a time-based stop loss? You see, okay, at least my arm's not as swollen. Oh, it is still a little bit swollen, but it's not as swollen as it was. It's okay. Why am I so ungrateful?
Emotional damage.
Maya gets that white girl privilege. What? Ah, Solly, you see you can't see the arm flaps. Ah, I was smart. I have a long sleeve. You can't see anything. If target not hit in 30 minutes, close position. Oh, David, oh, hear me out. Okay, hear me out. I hope to never ever really be in trades for more than 30 minutes to begin with, but I hear you. Okay, wait, so wait. David, let me just understand. Let me understand what you're trying to say here. Potentially still have a stop loss at a certain limit, but if it's taking too long, close it after a certain amount of time. Is that what you're saying? Or like no stop loss at all, and after 30 minutes, then you close? Yes, no, maybe? Is that what you're trying to say? I did not get a new tattoo. Lucky stop loss that you can put a time on to pull out of a trade while you aren't online. Ew, that makes sense. Rolled them off. So no stop loss at all. Maybe if I was like on a live, but because I'm on a funded where drawdown is a thing, I don't think that would work. I'm not sure. Maya, we need to have a powwow. Oh, Juan, I'm scared. What's happened? It sounds like you, Jordy, and Mikawabe have been having lots of discussions. Makes it sound like I'm gonna be like in a naughty corner or something. Good entry point there. 1, 2. This looks like on the 15-minute. Okay. So like 051. Boop, 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 boop. I just don't think it's gonna go this far down. I mean, that's basically a tennis swing. Our Discord seems to be pretty chill. Oh, yeah, we'll give it. Is that a bad thing? It's super chilled. I mean, sometimes after stream we go and we play like games and everything to just have a break from the day. Sometimes we hop on and help each other with strategies. Sometimes we talk through things. Yeah. Sully, a lot of people have had some wins in New York today, actually. Yeah, a lot of people have been having some really good trades, some losses, but mostly wins. Not trading New York tonight. Mighty, not the worst idea, right? Really not the worst idea. Dumb? Huh? Maddie, what you talking about? So that full range would have actually been quite a nice trade. Interesting. Okay. Maddie, you know, I'm still waiting for your email. I'm just saying. Seeming as Discord is not a thing. My entire week's gone changed, so essentially I don't even need to trade the rest of the week. Oh, well, that's then really good. Thanks, Mokiva. That's cool, you're showing your stats. I'm not trading with many other people, so it's difficult to see others work. Oh! Mokiva, yeah, listen, like I said, the whole point is for it to be open and honest, right? There's a screenshot of basically every single trade that I have taken. Because I'm not trying to lie about, oh, I'm winning millions every single day. Cause no, I'm not. I wish, that would be quite nice, but no. No, that's true, Muddy. Hi, my love, is that a real account? Yes. Well, it's my funded account, yeah. Wahahaha. 45. Hey Brandon, what's up? Did you miss any awesome trades? No, there was just some thunder that happened now. No awesome trades missed. It was a setup for a good one, but it was too big for me to take, especially with today. Because I had two, well, you saw the 2 losses earlier, right? Thanks, Mokiv, you're so sweet. Computer is off and I'm sitting on my phone.
That's what she said.
Oh, nice. That's okay, Mokiv. What's your birth language, by the way? Solly, I'm just gonna give you a heads up. If you are super sassy today, I might not be able to control the sass back. I'm putting it out there. I'm putting it out there, okay? I might let the South African come out. And yeah, but that's okay, Brandon. You don't have to trade every single day. You don't have to trade every single session. Sometimes you have to just sit on your hands and wait for the correct setup to come to you, and that's fine. OTT lucky not on. He's on a gold long though right now on my live account. I haven't traded NQ or ES for like 8 days. I took a trade early in London from bottom of mountain to top, basically the first high. Nice, Muddy. Well done. French, you're from Belgium. That okay? Can I just say that's super cool? I do not know French, but I think that's super cool. After how many losses do you call it a day? 3. Yeah. I allow myself 3 losses and then done. Hey John, what's up? I took a buy yesterday on gold and I did reverse and hit my stop loss in Asia session. No! Is this mansplaining? Which one? I don't think it's mansplaining. No. 3 out of 3 so far looking good. LFW, what's up? How you doing? You said bonjour the first time I came, that's why I followed up. Aww. Well, I only know like bonjour and je ne sais pas. That's like the only French I know. Maya said if I keep swinging, she gonna swing back. Yes, Solly. Bring it on, you little youngster. Gold can be a diva and a half. Gold is terrifying. French is my favorite language that I don't understand. So how many trades do you do a day / sessions? Nkululu, it really depends on the day and the price action. Some days I don't get a trade. Other days there's like 5 setups in one session. Other days there looks like there's 5 setups and it just doesn't work out. Other days you wait and wait and wait and there's one good setup at like the end of the session. So, oh, there's a... Okay, if I just disappear quickly, it's because lightning has come. There's a lot of thunder, but no lightning. If there's lightning, I will have to like call it and unplug my PC because my PC is like, I can't trade without my PC. Hey, High Life, what's up? How's it going? You don't tell me how your trading's been going. How's your trading been going, High Life? I'm new here. Do this fast. I don't know why my first comment didn't show. I said bull flags on top of bull flags for me today. Oh, LMW, nice. Yeah, that's weird because I saw you say 3 out of 3 and I was like, 3 out of 3 what? What did I miss? So LMW, you trade bull flags, I'm assuming, or flags rather. Hey Lubo, so no trades on New York today. There was one setup for New York, but the range was too big for me to take a trade. Here's a potential second trade, but it's not coming back down there. What time is it even? 10:44. This might just head to my point of interest without me. My point of interest is at 501. I think this is now officially taken up the high. I'd have to check the high time frames. Oh no, not yet. New York high is a little bit higher up. Let's see how it reacts here. No, it didn't really create an SMT yet. Oh, didn't create an SMT. Who did I do my funded account through? Top 1 Futures. So yeah, I'm currently trading Top 1 Futures. Sorry again. For anyone that is new, I'm affiliated with a few, but I guess the top 3, I guess you could say, oh, hi, is it the thunder? You're okay. Sorry, that's my dog. Oh, there you can kind of see the smiley if I do that. Anyways, no, I'm just gonna pretend it's a horseshoe. It looks like a horseshoe. I'm gonna go with it as a horseshoe. But anyways, so what was I saying? Oh, if you're new, Violinox, they're having an 89% discount, which is awesome. Top 1 Futures, it's a few different discounts, but there's a 77.2% on a specific 2-step account. Don't ask me which one. And Tradeify is having a 30% discount off of all accounts and a 40% discount off of 150k select account, which is super awesome. And you can use my affiliate code, TeachMaya, all caps, no gaps. Solly, don't you dare. You could use my code to get those discounts, which is super awesome. And obviously, the support would be amazing. The more people use my affiliate codes, the sooner I can get giveaway accounts. And then I can start giving back to this amazing community. That's the plan. I just want to give back, but in order to do that, more people need to use the code. It's Malang. I am South African. What's up? I turned it back to what return 18 years later. Definitely, but I'm emotionally damaged. I'm not looking at any setup. That's why I came to stream to talk about. That's okay, Lucky. Lucky, it's hard. Can you see? I'm not in the best mood today. It's not even. The 2 losses obviously had a little bit of an effect. It's just, it's been a bad day, which is why it's also not the worst thing to sit on your hands if mentally the emotions are running high. Seriously, if the emotions are running high, rather sit, watch. Like you said, like you sit, watch, check what it's doing. But rather sit out, rather miss trade on a day when mentally you're not right than taking a trade and mentally making it worse. Okie dokie. Okay, we're still fine for lightning for now. Maybe a little bit closer. If I dip, you know why. Hey Diamonds, what's up? Yeah, Muddy, it really has. Does your prop firm have a minimum daily trades, and do they allow overnight holding of trades? So, minimum daily trades on a funded? Yes, it does. When you're funded, yes, but if you are wanting to pass the eval, no. There's no consistency, there's no minimum for an eval. You could do one trade and pass your eval count in one day for top one, but once you are funded, yes, you do have a minimum daily. And down we go. You think so? I'm not so sure about that, John. Thanks. Timberlake, what area are you from? Subscribed. Shout out, thanks. Thanks for the subscription. Timberlake, tell me a little bit about yourself. What do you trade? How long have you been trading for? Are you a prop trader, live trader? What's your thing? Can you guys hear the rain, by the way? I'm just going to be straight. The thing with trading channel is most of them very quickly move away from actually trading and more so selling referrals. Move on to selling courses. Yeah. And people see trading as adrenaline and gambling. Once you kill your emotions, start trading. Only key level is become a lot of waiting and boring. Check, but that's exactly it. Someone said you've made it in trading when you are bored. I know that sounds super weird, but you've made it in trading when you are bored. Is to fund it also consistency rule around 20-25%. Oh, there we go. Thanks, Muddy. Yeah, Mikuave, ask him. Into selling courses. But LMW, that's why the whole point is for this to be a very open, honest journey. I mean, you guys have been watching the whole thing. You guys can check my balance. You guys have seen me go from eval to now funded. I'm not pretending to be profitable yet, which is why, I mean, support would help. Still flying. Anyway. Which means no more than 20 of capital gain in one day. Possible head and shoulders debate. Oh, John, true. You're having a storm on your side. This is side. Sun came up at... So, lucky the storm has just hit. Literally, the storm has just hit. So it rained this morning. Then when I went to the horses, it was boiling hot. Boiling hot. And yeah, the thunder has just arrived. And I don't know, can you guys hear the rain? Is it loud or is it fine? Am I just shouting at you guys? Because I feel like I'm shouting. I apologize if I'm shouting. I'm trying to just put now. Come on, man. Agreed. The reason it gets boring because you're literally doing the same thing over and over, not trying to learn something new, not trying to add things, just sticking to your model. Okay, OTT, this is now where technically a little bit of a date. Technically, oh my gosh.
Emotional damage.
This is where a debate could be made. So I hear you, but should you not always want to continue learning? Even when you are bored, is it not bad to keep learning? I've been exposed to trading since 2019 when I matriculated, but haven't you matriculated in 2019? Oh, way to make me feel old. I matriculated 2016. Anyways. But haven't seen progress ever since, but I also went to university to study engineering and graduated, so I didn't have time to trade. Interesting. So what trading model and strategy do you use, Timberlake? I'm talking about you specifically as I barely know you. True. I just mentioned the nature of it. Sold as a get quick rich scheme. Oh yeah, no, LMW, that's why I said this channel in particular is to show a very real, open, honest trading journey. This is not get rich quick. When I have a winning trade, I'm not making thousands of dollars. I make $400. I mean, the most I've made on a winning trade was 600 and let's say $620, if I'm not mistaken. You know, so all of it is open and honest. It's why I show the balance. It's why I show everything, to show that you're not alone. When I see these people on YouTube doing like these things, they're like, oh, I just won, or I just traded and got $1 million. I'm like, oh, so I'm doing something wrong. That's cool. No, you're not. Especially if you're new. Start small. Once you've gotten the hang of it, then you can start increasing, obviously, but start small. Thanks, Maddie. No, I can barely hear the ring. Hey, okay, cool. Am I scared of lightning? I'm not scared of lightning, Solly. I just don't exactly want lightning to strike my PC, or, you know, whatever. Cause a surge and then my PC goes down, because I cannot trade without my PC. Or go live without my PC. Then I'll be so screwed without my PC. So, if lightning comes really close, then I'd have to call it, just because PC, life. PC equals life right now, so. She seems like that type of person. That is so rude. On trend, you can keep learning, but doing so you'll keep trying to add things. It becomes overloading. Like if you got your model and keep watching videos on different strats, it'll affect your model. A little bit like my overthinking this morning. So OTT, maybe it's a good thing to admit. I watched something in specific with regards to fair value gaps. Like if they've been tapped into, they may have been mitigated, they may not be valid anymore. So with the missed trade this morning during the London session, it's because it kept retapping that fair value gap, and I was like, ah, it's mitigated, it's not going to work anymore. It did eventually work. I would have taken it on any other normal day, but because I watched that video, I was overthinking it. So I understand where you're coming from. I understand exactly where you're coming from. It's that whole thing of you almost confuse yourself and start overthinking what you normally wouldn't overthink. But this is where I have a bit of a debate. Sorry, you guys are getting the rant again. I apologize, you guys are getting the full-on rant again. This is where I sometimes get confused, because it's not a bad thing to know more. But OTT, I guess it's like you said, it's good to know where the limit is on how much you know, because you could start overthinking basic things that would normally work, but because you watched the video, you've now overcomplicated it. Interesting. Sorry. That's just me mostly talking to myself. I'm sorry, guys. I'll get there eventually. I'm exhausted. I have a wife. But one thing. SN lightning can be used as such a cool thing. Oh gosh. Get rich from trading with a prop firm is really difficult. But okay, hear me out, Check. I hear what you're saying with getting rich from a prop firm is difficult. I agree, but as a beginner, using prop firms is a really smart way to go to not blow through capital. Especially while you're learning and figuring things out. To not blow through capital is, you know, until you're profitable consistently, I would say prop firms are a really good way to go. Once you are more consistent and profitable, then you could start to look more at live accounts, but just, okay, again, this is obviously just my opinion. This is obviously just my opinion. Everyone is allowed their opinions. It's just what I've done, like, proper research on, and prop firms when you're new and you're still figuring things out are a really good way to go, because you won't blow through capital. Yes, it's more difficult when you start earning. Obviously, you got to earn a lot more to actually start getting payouts and. But when you're more consistently profitable, you have your strategy, you have things, well, as figured out as you can when it comes to the markets. Then a live account, I agree with you. What if you're batting up and the whole gap gets closed, not a wicked candle party? See, OTT, that's the thing. Yeah, see. So I watched the video, I overcomplicated things in my mind and thing. Can we please get yapping? I'll be good. I would have to find a meme for yapping. Solly. Me too, and I'm absolutely exhausted in bed with Violin. Oh, no, I'm so sorry. This call is hard after hours. Okay, I trade Elliott Wave for overall picture, but mostly ICT. Oh, okay, that's nice and Timberling. So Elliott Wave for overall picture, but you're having trouble with it, I'm assuming? Or, like, does it make sense to you? You're having trouble with it? What's up? Why? Yeah, what's up? Don't hold that one. I think that yapping command should be wow. Wow. It depends what you trade. If you want to trade futures, then do props. If you trade CFDs, then do live accounts and don't, because CFDs you can deposit like $10 rather than below $50 eval. Ooh, interesting. OTT, okay, that makes sense. But a lot of people take large positions and try to pass an eval. If they pass, they got lucky and will blow any fund insta, because then it feels like real money and full porting is not so easy. Okay, check, but that's why you do it properly. Do you know how long it took me to pass my eval? I got my eval in October. I passed it last Monday. So I guess, yes, if you just do the, I'm just gonna full port, screw it, like you said, it could then just be that they got lucky. They took one trade and they were lucky with it. But if you do it correctly, yes? I have trouble with making time for trading. I mean, valid. Timberling, do you work? Thanks, OTT. I appreciate it. I think platforms are a good way to do that if you're limited in capital, but also at the point, I think paper trading or refining your whole playbook. Yeah, like I hear you, but that's more to do with your strategy, right? So for me, it would go do paper trading, find your strategy. Once you have your strategy and you know what you look for with your strategy, it would be, again, guys, this is just my opinion. It would then be get yourself an eval account, because now you have the fear, right? Of trading live, and it feels like you're losing things, but you're not losing as much capital as you would if you were trading live. From there, you have the funded. Now there's a little bit more fear because there's a little bit more pressure. So isn't it basically just kind of teaching you the psychology when it comes to the eval? The paper trading and stuff, I agree. That's for your strategy, finding your correct setups, finding the correct price action for your setup, finding the correct execution for your setup. So yes, for me, it would be paper trading, setup. Eval for the psychology. Funded, again, kind of for the psychology, but now it's added with pressure on it. And after that, I would say maybe if you do, an eval like 2 or 3 times and you're consistently profitable, yes, what do you think? Then live. Also not reading. Sorry, Maddie, what did I miss? I saw that. You're talking about that and my strategy you're talking about with Alpha DK. That's a whole new thing. Okay. Yep, CFDs are, yep. Message. You can't just stick to one strategy for years because of a thing called Alpha DK. Yes, it'll work for a good while though, definitely past beginner level. Certainly would not buy the Insta funded account as a beginner. Passing eval is showing you can actually handle a funded account. Plus you also have consistency rules with the Insta funded. Oh, you meant OTT, sorry. I thought you were talking to me. I was like, I am reading, damn. Almost buy time, then sell high. Work as a graduate process engineer. Oh damn, Timberling. Okay, what are your working hours? Sorry, I'm asking like some personal questions here if you don't mind. You're a profitable trader, you should pass an eval without within 1 month in current market conditions. Why within 1 month? Check. Well, I'm not trying to use it for a month later, trying to use it then next month in order block country. What do you think about on the 1 hour? Hey Alex, anyone? What do you think about GBP AUD on the 1 hour? I got 2 setups today, but didn't execute. I hate analysis paralysis so much. I'd rather have a red day. Oh, Robocop, oh, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I understand that. I had that earlier, and then... So I had it earlier. Analysis paralysis. Didn't take an A+ setup. Would have been a win. Then the A+ setup came, and I jumped without confirming on higher time frames. At a loss. Then another setup came... What happened? Why did it not work, actually? I think I also just kind of jumped into it without waiting for solid confirmation. And that's essentially what happened today. So I had analysis paralysis, and because of that got 2 losses. Yay! Anyways. 7 to 430. Okay, so 7 to 430. So technically, 2 million, technically, like, I mean, you could trade the New York PM session and Asia session before work, but I also understand that you're tired, right? I also understand. I guess an alternative, I don't really trade Forex, so I don't know, you're gonna have to maybe ask someone else. I know Forex is 24/7, which means weekends as well. Yes, am I correct with that? I obviously trade futures, so futures are closed during the weekends. But if I'm not mistaken, Forex is 24/7, so you could trade them during the weekends. But I've heard their spreads are a little bit terrifying. I think people don't treat eval accounts the same as they would their own personal accounts. Most of them, they go guns blazing because they think the faster the sooner they get paid. Lucky I hear that, which is bad. I hear you. It's why, I mean, like I said, I took really long to pass my eval. I did. And that's why I'm not really treating my funded any differently, because the way I pass my eval is how I plan on passing this funded. Just one trade at a time. You've got to keep on going. I have many different strategies, different chart, because I don't have one strat. It's mainly focused on my main strat in the regular market, but it gives me opportunities. Who was the bot? Oh. What, because he just carried on? Forex 24/5. See, man, I thought they were 24/7. Oh, I thought they were on weekends. No, Forex is closed. What's open during the weekend? There's something that's open during the weekends. For most people, 3K is enough to live on per month. Money you should make if you can pass an eval in 1 month. That's how you would really trade, because I have no emotions with trading. Check. Okay, that's interesting. I hear you. I hear you. That's very interesting. How many hours a day do you dedicate to trading, both learning and actually trading? LMW, well, to be fair, I'm learning well trading, but... around 6 or 7. Sounds like a lot. But yeah, around 6 or 7 hours. Crypto! Thank you, Seaman! I was thinking about crypto, apologies. I was thinking about crypto, not Forex. Sorry. I apologize. Maybe, sorry. So spreads on Forex aren't that bad, just depending on the broker you use. Okay, sorry, I meant crypto. I'm sorry. And even crypto usually has low volume. That's what they all say. I'm so sorry. How many hours of... Do you know what I need? I need a whoop, there it is when it comes to Solly. That is what I need. I don't need a whoop whoop, I need a whoop, there it is, because Solly was so predictable. I'll just use this for now. Predictable. Okay. You're boring. Told you I'd get some of the sass out. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, it's still headed to my point of interest. Oh gosh. No, in your case, I think you treated it very good, but in other cases, people don't treat it like you did, and yes, I'm talking from experience. Oh, interesting. And then on weekends, where I don't get too much time. Crypto right now, well, thank you. It's so unpredictable. Oh, interesting. Just... Muddy, what do you say? Wow, just a question. If you had your GAN box on the bottom... Hammer, yes. So, do you want to see? It would have actually been a winning trade if that's what you are asking. Boop de boop. I'll show you. I did have it popped open. Apologies. Bottom was there. It looked like so. Yeah. You can see it actually would have wicked me in. Would have wicked in here and gone up for a win. So yeah, it was a good one using that. Like I said, the range was too big. Even I could have used one contract for it. I could have used one contract for it. But yeah. So you can see here, the full range was a really nice trade. Solly is my guy. That took a divorce and years of failing to get there. Check, I'm pretty sure I asked you... Check, I'm so sorry. I'm pretty sure I asked you this. I'm gonna ask you again. I'm so sorry. How long have you been trading for? It's really you're boring, Sam. Okay, agreed by trading for a while, but I think about it like this. You're trying to scale accounts, but taking 6 months for another eval for you to get to 5 is insane work. No, true. I watched the trust the whole week during the winter. I have to go. Oh, cheers, Morgiver. Enjoy. Nice. Why did you not take it? Well, I didn't trust it to not be choppy, in all honesty. But yes, it would have been a banger. I would come up with excuses of why I didn't take it, retest it. In all honesty, my mindset's just not great right now. I think that's just it. My mindset's just not ideal right now. So that is the reason. Rather just, like I said, I would much rather have a little bit of a missed trade today, getting confirmation that my thought for today was correct, than jump in and do what I did during London session. I'd much rather have a bit of a forward testing day than let the emotions take over. That's basically it. Hey Kraber, what's up? Emma just wants you to be honest with yourself. Oh, that too. Like I said, mentally... Hammer's trying to make you face your demons. You guys are my demons. I don't know what you're talking about. My demons are right in front of me, messaging me while I trade. I'm just kidding. You know I love you guys madly. You are not my demons. I love you guys. What about a backtesting day? What, Solly, like today? Is that okay? No, we trade the same market. We don't approach it in the same way. You get what I'm saying? Everybody sees the chart differently. They really do. It is wild. It is absolutely insane how everyone sees the chart differently. Interesting, but not an A+ setup. It has a fair value gap. That's about it. So only thing I guess you could say it had was the fact that I guess theoretically this is a bit of a weird-ish trend line. This is a very steep trend line and it broke it, so because it broke it, it's good. Grrr. Sorry, I'm just mimicking the rumble. I really started investing in 2018, 2019 before COVID hit. I traded crypto and lost thousands, but made thousands at the same time. So I'm just trying to see what all the chaos is. Should I read the description of this email from Top 1 Futures? Bruce Lee knew something about trading. Anyways. I think I prefer Demon. 7 years, but I studied markets the last 26 years. Damn, okay. You said you don't mind having a forward test now. Oh, no, true. Demon over bro. Hey, Axe, how you doing? Lots of wisdom. That's all on your approach. You could take like 3 weeks to pass and I could take 2 months. I think however long you take, the eval is basically based on your total approach to the market. I want all the other traders to know if your setup is there, take it. Stay in the rules. Don't let losers run. Need an entry exit. She's got it sized down if you're not sure. Do you know what I need right now? Do you know what? I need like a soundboard, but Hammer, you need like maybe a slow clap. Not like a mocking slow clap. Like slow clap, like a legit slow clap, because you are right. Like I said, I wouldn't have taken this. All that is there is the fair value gap and maybe the fact that it broke above that, but that would have been a win. It's nearly at my point of interest. Just took out New York high here, so that's cool. Asia high is just above. I have no idea. I didn't open it. I just saw that. I was like, what? She only listens when we tell her not to listen. I'm listening now, and all I hear is a bunch of bull. I'm kidding. Don't get offended. I love you guys. You know I love you guys. Oh, it's nearly at my point of interest. Look at it go. See, now FOMO is wanting to kick in, and I'm wanting to do something dumb. Seriously? Emotions are pain in the butt. Do you think we could just all turn ourselves into robots? Do you think that would be easier if we all became robots instead? Took out New York high. Think this could retest a little bit further? Sorry, just deep in thought. I'm just gonna keep quiet. I'm gonna keep quiet. I've always been a gold and silver bug 24/7. There's robots on my screen. Yeah, exactly. It's a problem. And one has imbalances. I was not here, so I missed it, but she's got it. She passed it on an account. No, hammer, valid. Mud crab, so peaceful. I'll do more of that. I will be more quiet. Okay. Rude. Y'all are mean. Like I said, I'm very well aware. I am very well aware. Okay, I am trying to be self-aware. Being self-aware is number one. The markets make you face things that... Sorry, I'm gonna be yapping again. Sorry, just put me on mute. And Mudcrab, apparently. Just put me on mute. Okay, I know you guys don't want to hear it, but it does. It kind of holds the mirror out to you and it shows you all the things you need to work on. Like me, the overthinking. I've always overthought. It's been my thing. Like this now. Oh, I don't know if I'm gonna laugh or cry on the live stream if this goes up to reach TP. Anyways, oh, that's self-awareness. Muting now. Anyways, like I was saying, it puts... Oh, so mean. Oh my gosh. It kind of puts a mirror in front of you and shows you what you need to work on, right? So with me, it's a bit of a 50-50 because now I'm unsure because I need to kind of work on my confidence with my trade. For my trading, I need to stop overthinking it. But in the same breath, some people said, you know, don't get an ego and don't be overly confident. So it's a little bit of a seriously. Feels a bit like a double-edged sword sometimes. Gotta be confident in taking your trade, especially when you see the setup. But don't be overly, I want to say cocky, right? Don't be egotistical with it. So it does. It's a very humbling thing. Oh, you guys are such bullies. I'm waiting for someone explaining. Oh my gosh, I'm absolutely dead. Okay, you know what? I'm dead. Oh, you guys are actually too funny. I hope you know that. You guys are way too funny. Sure, okay, there we go. So would have taken me out there to check out the New York high, like I said. So sometimes it's valid to overthink. That being said, this wasn't an A+ setup, so... Yeah, tell them. Tell them. Tell them. They're so mean to me. Honestly. I know they love me. They're just bullies about it. Anyways, guys. I'm sure you guys can see that for a fact. Mentally, I'm kind of checked out for the day. And that's fine. Know when to call it a day. I'm calling it a day. Thank you for sitting here with me. You guys actually made my day a little bit better, and I really appreciate that. Just you guys being here, sitting with me, bullying me. You know who I'm talking to when I say bullying me. Anyways, I'm gonna call it. Let's see. Can't even see the other chat. Good grief. Anyways, you guys are so mean. I hope you know I love you. Anyways, I'm gonna call it there for today. I'll come back tomorrow, hopefully refreshed. Hopefully. Oh my gosh. But you guys were amazing. I'll be better tomorrow. I love you guys madly. Don't forget to press that like button. Again, Discord. If you guys want to join the Discord. If you guys also want help with anything, even if it's just like lucky help with a bit of a mental day. The other day I was having a bit of a day, and like I just mentioned it to Bob, and Bob gave me a call, and he really kind of helped. Just helped. Sometimes you just need a trader, right? To just listen and be like, okay, how about this and this and this? It does just help mentally. So if you guys if you need any help, let me know. I'm always happy to hop on a call with you guys, right? And last but not least, like I said, you guys, you've heard the spiel about if you guys want to show a little bit of extra support, you guys can use the prop firm and use my code TeachMaya, all caps, no gaps. Solly, don't you dare. Okay. Again, don't be boring. I love you guys, Maddie. I'll be back tomorrow. London session. Awesome. London session. Muddy, go get some sleep. I don't know how you are actually a functioning human being, but it's okay. I love you guys. I will see you then tomorrow. London and New York session. I don't have my damn shirt on, or else I would say be there or be square. If you're here during London, you would know exactly what I'm talking about. You're bored. I love you guys so much. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.